The first step is to turn the mobility scooter on its side. Prepare the tools: a cross screwdriver, a hexagon socket wrench, and our new controller. Hold the hexagon wrench and press the nut inside with one hand. Then loosen the screw. All 6 screws need to be removed. Turn the car back on its side. The batteries need to be removed as well. Eliminate this top cover as well. You can see the wires and controller inside. It's best to remember the sequence of these wires. How each wire is plugged in: blue, yellow, and brown. Then unplug it. After all the wires are unplugged, then this is our controller. Then use a cross screwdriver to unscrew the screws below. Take the controller out. Then put our new controller. Put it back in the previous position. Then tighten the screws one by one. Then connect these. These are power cords. The power cord has a plus and a minus sign here. The positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal. Negative pole connected to negative pole. Plug the large wires into the appropriate locations. Insert in the correct direction with the catch facing out. Make sure the bayonet snaps into the slot. Insert the wires again in the same position as they were in the beginning, blue or yellow or brown. The 2 white ones are also inserted in the corresponding positions with the snaps facing out. The lid is covered and the thread is tucked in. Let's see if these 6 nuts are in the same place. Then snap on the lid tightly. Flip it back over. Pick up the screws, press down on the inside of the box with one hand to see if the screw holes inside are aligned, and then unscrew the screws.